Assalamu alaikum, grade 5. Good morning. Today I'll be giving you a lecture from unit number 1, biography, page number 10 and 11. I want you to open your book in front of you and look at the grammatical portion which this chapter contains. It is about simple past tense, converting them into negative sentences. You know what is a simple past tense? Simple past tense are the sentences which are denoting something which has happened in the past. An event which has passed, something which had already been happened, are simple past sentences. So now converting a simple past tense into a negative simple past tense, we use did not. We add did not to make the sentence negative. Don't change the verb after did not. He had a computer lesson last week. Changing this sentence into negative, he did not have a computer lesson last week. In a simple past tense, when we convert it into negative, we use did not. But with did not, we use first form of verb. We prefer using first form of verb. We cannot use second form of verb. Now, there are some other sentences, some other examples to make you understand in a better way. You don't live in Spain. You didn't live in Spain. He doesn't live in Spain. He didn't live in Spain. All these sentences have the verb in its first form. We didn't use the second form lived. We used the first form live, because with simple past sentence in a negative form, we don't have verb in its past form. We already have did not, which denotes that the sentence is in past. Coming towards the interrogative sentences, questions. Do you live in Spain? Did you live in Spain? Does he live in Spain? Did he live in Spain? All these sentences are starting from did, do, does, and they are a question, but we have the verb in its first form again. Some other examples. Look at the second column, negative. He didn't meet her. We didn't use the word met. We used the word meet, the root form of verb. I didn't graduate. They didn't watch a movie. We could have said they didn't watch a movie, but we preferred to use watch, because in a negative sentence, simple past tense, with the use of did or did not, we don't have verb in its past form. Verb comes in its original root form. Coming towards the questions, there are some other examples I want you to look at. Did he feel sad yesterday? Did they watch a movie? Did he meet her? Did she study in the library? Did the police find any clues? Did we make a cake for you? Now, come to page number 10. You have an activity on the top of your page. Rewrite this paragraph causing the negative form of verbs. This paragraph is in a positive form. Positive sentences are used. There is no use of did or did not. We have to make this paragraph negative, but keeping the paragraph in simple past tense. We don't have to change the tense of the paragraph. Only you have to make it positive. And for that, we will use first form of verb and we will add did not. Now, changing the paragraph into negative form. Last winter vacations, our class did not visit the ruins of Mohenjo-daro. Ruins means something which is being destroyed, and now they are the leftovers of that thing present somewhere. We did not reach there early in the morning. The weather was not pleasant. Now the positive sentence was the weather was pleasant. But when we have was, we don't have to add was, did not. The use of not is equal to did not, and it makes it a negative sentence. We did not visit the museum, which contained many interesting objects. Now the positive sentence was we did visit the museum, or no, it was we visited the museum, which contained many interesting objects. There was no did, there was no first form of verb, instead it was visited, second form of verb, past form of verb. We made it first form and added did not. We did not talk to a guide. He did not take keen interest in telling and explaining various historical aspects of Mohenjo-daro. We did not spend the whole day there. We did not enjoy the trip and went straight home after the visit. I want you to rewrite this paragraph in your notebook in a negative form, which you already have in the video. You just have to write the question, and you have to write this paragraph in your notebook. And please do consider that where we have used did not and where we have changed the verb into its first form. Now there are certain sentences in your book, which you have to change into questions. Write these sentences as questions. Did you go to Mohenjo-daro by bus? Now, the original sentence was a simple past sentence and you have changed into a question by using did. Did your leaders accompany you? Did you see any historical artifacts? Did you ask questions from the historical guide? Did you take lunch in the bus? Did you get home late? Did you feel tired the next day? Did you wake up late? Page number 11. Use your dictionary to help you find the words for the different occupations linked to the words in this box. Now there are words and we have to tell the occupation of the people of these words. For example, art. Someone who plays with the art is an artist. Wait, waiter. Act, actor. Science, scientist. Someone who works in a library is a librarian. Garden, a gardener. Journal is a journalist. Law, one who studies law and practices it is a lawyer. Comedy, the one who does comedy is a comedian. Farming is a farmer. Report is a reporter. One who works in the pharmacy or study pharmacy is a pharmacist. Write is a writer. The one who directs is a director. The one who works in carpentry is a carpenter. I have a homework activity for you. I want you to do question number 2 from page number 10. Question number 2 is very easy. You just have to add some creativity from your own mind and you have to make 4 questions. I want you to do this activity on your notebook, adding to the paragraph which we have converted into negative form. You have to read out that paragraph in your notebook as well. Till then, goodbye and Allah Hafiz. I'll see you with the next video.